Hey guys, let's begin our day. Now guys, we are on the dock. It's pretty big waves now, as you can see on our dock. And it's not going to be any burst aboard today. Way too big waves. But we're going to town and fish. So we'll see you when we're in town. Now we're on a boat. I'll see you in town. We're on a boat and it's pretty many waves, as you can see. I'm pretty ready. I'm looking to get my phone wet. Oh, holy shit! It's a lot quieter over here, as maybe you can see. So I will see you in land. We just have a quick stop on a store, and then just buy some more BB shots or BB ammo. I will see you when we are there. We are now at our fishing place, and I will film if we get some fish. With only one fish, we're not giving up yet. It was not a fish, it was just we were tangled. So yeah, my phone is almost out of battery, so I'll have to see you when I'm home when I charge up my phone again. I'll see you then. I am home and I'm charging my phone, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will see you tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.